Some seemingly tricky F2L cases can be solved really easily and really quickly if we know a few extra F2L algorithms. As I described in the intermediate module, it's sometimes useful to learn F2L algorithms, and here's just a few more examples of more advanced F2L algorithms that'll come in really handy when you're solving F2L. If you have an F2L pair that's paired up with the edge in the middle layer here and the corner in the top layer, and it belongs in the opposite slot in the back here, we can just do an R prime F, U prime, F prime, R, like that. Doing that from another angle, if we have it in the back right slot and it belongs in the front left, like this, we can do an F, R prime, U, R, F prime, like that. You're able to do this sort of thing for all 4 angles around the cube. I'll let you try and figure out the remaining 2 angles. So here's another nice one where we have this edge here and our corner pieces up here like this. We can do R prime, small u prime, R prime, small u, R, like that. Only 5 moves. So here's another nice one where we have this edge here and this corner up here. Normally we would have to rotate to solve these two by hiding the corner like that, but we can do this without rotations by doing a small r, u prime, r prime, u, u, small r prime, like that, which solves those two. Similarly, the normal way to solve this case is to hide this corner, bring it across, and rotate back to put it in place. But if we undo that, there's a really easy way to actually insert these two without rotating at all. So it goes like this. M, U, small r, U prime, small r prime, U prime, M prime, like that. So here's another one where we have the corner in the top layer and the edge down here. The way to solve this is R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U2, F prime, like that. Another one where we have the corner in the top layer and the edge is in the middle layer and it's misoriented. We can solve like this. So do a U prime first, then do R prime, F, R, F prime, bringing them over here, R, U prime, R prime, like that. Another case is where we have to insert this edge into the middle layer and we already have our corner solved. So if we don't want to do, the beginner's algorithm, which takes this corner out like that and puts it in, there's a much more finger-friendly way of actually executing this. So if we put the edge over here, we can do F prime, RU, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R. That can be done really quickly. Another nice case is where we have these two pieces connected to one another and these two stickers on the side are the same, like that. We can do an F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime, and then R, U prime, R prime to insert that. So this last case is maybe my one exception to the don't bring cross edges into the top layer during F2L rule. So if we have, for example, this edge that needs to come down here and we have the back left slot unsolved, we could do something like R2, U prime, R prime, U, R2, like that. And what that does is the R2, U prime brings this over here, R prime brings this edge back here, and then the U pairs them up like that, and then we do an R2 like that. So it's only 5 moves.